The large old files feature in CleanMyMac helps you identify files that consume significant storage space and haven't been accessed recently. Rather than automatically deleting anything, it lets you review each file and decide what to keep or remove. Step 1. Open the Large Old Files tool. 1. Launch CleanMyMac. 2. Select My Clutter from the sidebar. 3. Choose the location you want to scan, such as your home folder, an external drive, or another folder. 4. Click Scan. CleanMyMac looks for files that are at least 50 megabytes in size. Step 2. Review the results. When the scan finishes, 1. Click Review All Files. 2. Open the Large Old Files category. You can organize the results by file type: videos, archives, documents, etc. File size, last access date to inspect a file before removing it. Right-click or Control-click it and choose Quick Look to preview it, Reveal in Finder to see its location, Get Info to view additional details. Step 3. Select files to remove. Unlike some cleanup modules, no files are selected automatically because they may contain important data. Common candidates for removal include old video recordings, downloaded installers, DMG, PKG, zip archives, large project files. You no longer need old backups stored outside Time Machine. Step 4. Choose how to handle the files, depending on your version of CleanMyMac. You can remove the files, move to trash, move to another folder or external drive, securely remove files so they're much harder to recover. Helpful tips: preview files before deleting them if you're unsure. Be cautious with documents, photos, and project folders that you may still need. If you use external drives, scan them periodically to reclaim storage there as well. If you need to run another scan after cleaning, click Start Over and scan. Again, using the Large Old Files tool every few months is an effective way to reclaim disk space while staying in control of what gets deleted.